Should pop-up coffee stands host coffee workshops? Yes, they should, because workshops can build customer loyalty, create extra income, and help people remember the stand. A coffee workshop can teach customers how to choose beans, grind them, measure water, and brew a better cup at home. A small stand does not need a full classroom. It could use a folding table, a few brewing tools, and enough coffee for tasting. The owner might offer a short lesson on pour-over brewing, French press coffee, or milk steaming. Letting customers compare two beans side by side makes the lesson easier to understand because they can taste the difference themselves. A useful detail is that freshly ground coffee begins losing aroma quickly, so grinding just before brewing can make a noticeable change. Workshops can also introduce customers to local bakers, bean suppliers, or other small businesses through shared events. Charging a modest fee can cover supplies, while offering a free sample or discount afterward can encourage another purchase. The best workshops are simple, hands-on, and limited to a small group so everyone gets a chance to practice. One common mistake is making the class too technical, so use plain words and demonstrate each step slowly. Another mistake is ignoring timing, because a busy morning crowd may not want a long lesson, so schedule workshops during quieter hours and reserve places in advance. Some owners also give away too much coffee without tracking costs, so measure beans, cups, milk, and staff time before setting the price. Finally, do not assume every customer already understands coffee, so explain basic terms and invite questions without making anyone feel embarrassed. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.